How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the Empty Motor YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be cleaning out the interior of this Scion TC that I acquired in a trade. If you've been following the series or the channel, you'll know a little bit about this car. If you haven't, you can go ahead and flip through the playlist on the videos to see everything that I've covered with this car so far. So the car is, been sitting neglected. Not by me, yes, by me, but it was sitting outside for a few years, so the interior's pretty dirty, and I got to clean all that up today. And there's cobwebs in little areas. Pretty sure spiders are dead by now, but you can never be too careful, so I'm going to go through the process of cleaning all that and getting all, leaves and all this other pines and all this other stuff cleaned out of the interior, just so I can really assess and see the condition of everything. And just go through and get all that done as part of the reconditioning process. So go ahead and relax and hang out with me for a bit, and I'll show you the progress as I make it. Just got done doing a basic vacuum on the passenger floorboard compartment and this seat. It was pretty dirty. It's got pine needles and stuff everywhere. The seat actually had, I don't know if it was larvae casings or what that was living in it, but I vacuumed it all up. I didn't get a chance to capture. I was just trying to get it done. But overall, the seat itself is in pretty good shape. Cushions itself are okay, so that's all right. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other side and get that done. Now that I have the interior all vacuumed out, I can go ahead and start with the wipe down process and cleaning up everything as good as I can, just to really see the condition of everything, which I'm sure it's okay minus all the scratches and dents that I showed you earlier. So get started on that, go through the cleanup and find some stuff out along the way. I'm sure I'm in for a few surprises. Alright, I finished the rear half of the interior, sort of. I'm gonna do the front side of the cabin and try to do however I can back there. I'm not sure exactly how I'm gonna get to everything. That's why you saw me contorting myself to try to reach as far as I can. So now I gotta do this other section. So wish me luck. So the interior is all cleaned up now. Got everything wiped down. There was a lot of dirt. I don't know if you've seen in the previous videos, there's about, you know, a good thick layer of dust all over the car. And, you know, I got that all cleaned up, wiped all the floorboards. There was mud, dirt everywhere. I don't know how, but I guess it was left from when it was just stored outside. And, you know, obviously, you know, there's a couple of gaps that need to be fixed. So, you know, it is what it is. It's all good. The dash had a really weird white film that wouldn't come out, so I actually had to go through and wipe and kind of scrub the dash a few times. So that's all cleaned up now. Now the dash looks really nice. The steering wheel obviously has to be changed. The material's separating on the, or you know, you grab on the wheel. You know, the rest of the interior looks okay. Need the grommets, need to find the color paint code to match, so I can fix some areas, fix some areas hopefully. That won't be too noticeable when I do it. It actually should come out pretty clean as long as the paint's matched correctly. In sticking my head underneath the dash looking for the fuel controller, the Grady Turbo Kit is supposed to come with the Grady E-Manage, which was that it was never installed or didn't come with it. So this car's been running on only the factory ECU on a turbo kit, which on a naturally aspirated engine you don't want to do. But this car was only on and off transport and parked for display only, never used for any type of, you know, real track work or anything like that, or any heavy driving, so, or normal driving for that matter. So the engine's okay. I mean, I've started the car a couple times since I've gotten the car, and it sounds like a stock TC with an exhaust. So I don't hear any ticking, knocking, or anything, so I'm really happy about that. So I have to figure out what I want to use for that and then get the car tuned, along with addressing a lot of other issues. Again, the audio doesn't turn on, so that'll be in another video to figure out what's going on there and why it doesn't. But yeah, overall pretty happy with the interior of the car. It's about a 7 out of 10 in terms of condition. Hopefully I can get up to, you know, an 8, 8.5, maybe 9 hopefully. There's, you know, a couple things in here that there's nothing you can do about, but you know, at least make it as nice as you possibly can. Just like I said, this is a great car, especially given my history with the brand. So look forward to doing all that. Again, thank you again for tuning in. Definitely do appreciate it. If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe. Also, if you're curious about the shirt I'm wearing, we do have merch in the online store. All the information's in the description below. Again, thank you for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching. Until then, have a great day. You guys take care.